Google Ads without a website. Can you really do it? Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore if it's possible to run Google Ads without having a website. Many small businesses and individuals wonder if they can tap into the power of Google Ads without owning a full-blown website. Let's dive in and find out. The good news is, yes, you can run Google Ads without a traditional website. One popular method is using Google My Business. By creating a Google My Business profile, you can promote your business via local ads, helping you reach customers in your area without needing a website. These ads link directly to your business profile, showcasing important details like location, hours, and reviews. Additionally, Google offers a feature called Call-Only Ads. These ads prioritize phone calls over clicks to a website. They're perfect for service-based businesses looking to generate direct phone leads. When a potential customer clicks on your ad, it triggers a phone call to your business instead of redirecting them online. Lastly, if you're an app developer, you can promote an app directly through Google Ads. By setting up app promotion campaigns, users can be directed straight to the Google Play or Apple Store to download your app. Keep in mind, even though a website isn't necessary, presenting valuable and clear information through these platforms remains crucial for success. This strategy ensures you reach the right audience and drive action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.